Our top YouTube end screen tips coming at ya in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Explosion! End screens, what are they? They allow you to promote another video, your YouTube profile, a website, a playlist. And I actually prefer the YouTube end screens over YouTube cards. So I'm here in our YouTube dashboard right now. Let's head over to a video and I'll share with you my top tips for end screens. So we'll get in here to this video. It is a Camtasia tutorial. So it's a tutorial I did on video editing software. So like I just mentioned, I prefer end screens over cards. The reason being, cards happen usually during the video, and personally, when I'm watching a YouTube video, when a card pops up like right in the middle of the video, I'm usually not going to click on that and go away from that video, the original video. I'm more likely to click on a video at the end of the video on the end screens. So that's my main reasoning for it. And so we just stick to end screens. So here, when you're in the video, you can see end screen here. And you can see, if I move this cursor over here, we've got two set up. We've got this one, which is an end screen to our website. And then this one, which is a video. First tip for you guys, place your end screens in the appropriate areas. What do I mean by that? So you can see here that this image here, which is a clickable link to our website, and this here are on this side. My face is over here, so I'm not gonna put this over my face, or I'm not gonna put this over my face. You want to place them nicely and accordingly. So there's a reason why I put it right on the edge there. I'm not just randomly placing it, like just, you know, you can't overlap, but I'm not doing something like this where it's in kind of like random places. Like you want to make it visually nice for the person. And honestly, it depends what's happening on the screen. So place them accordingly. Tip number 2, pay attention to the times of things. So you can see that this video one is shorter than the link one, and there is a reason for that. During this section, I am talking about the course that I'm promoting. So I'll just play it for you here. I have a 9+ hour, 70 lecture Camtasia course that will fast track your Camtasia learning. If you want to learn Camtasia fast, you need to take my course. The link for that will be down in the description below. Was this helpful? So I'm talking about a course that I'm promoting. I'm not going to put the video link while I'm showing the course. I'm going to put the video at the end there, and I'm okay with leaving this website link because I'm actually okay if they either do either. If they click on this, get the free guide, I've got an email, and their email, so I can message them later, or they buy my course. So that's why I've shortened this video to go right at the end after I do my little spiel about my course. Now you can see that you can extend this, and you can see that end screens are at a maximum of 20 seconds, and they can be a minimum of 5 seconds. And you can make them in between, so you don't have to do either. You can just kind of make them whatever seconds between those seconds that you want, from 5 to 20. But I'm very cognizant about where I place things. Tip number 3, if you're going to be recommending another video for them to click on, you want to make it make sense for the person. So here's what I mean. This tutorial is about Camtasia. It's a video editing software. So they'll likely want to watch another Camtasia tutorial. They're not likely going to watch a vlog of me. So you want to make it make sense, because if it makes sense, then you're more likely to get the click. And my last tip for you guys with end screens is to actually use end screens. I see so many people not know what it is, so they don't actually use it, and they don't put it in their videos. You won't get a click to another video if it's going to promote something of yours, whether it be another video, a subscribe, going to a website. Utilize this tool. I love it because it comes on at the end of the video, and if they've gotten to the end of the video, they're more likely to make another action for you, another click, a subscribe, watching another video, going to your website. Use the end screens that are appropriate for you. So what do I mean by that? So if you click on this button here that says element, it says video, playlist, subscribe, channel, link, merchandise. These are all the things that you can promote as an end screen. Now, our priorities have changed over time. Initially, when we first started our YouTube channel, we wanted the subscribe, right? Because we wanted to grow our subscriber base. We've gotten our channel to the point where we actually don't need to ask for the subscribe anymore, and we don't need to promote people to subscribe. It kind of already just happens with the sheer volume of videos and our presence online with social media. So what we want to do is, for our business, we want to promote our website and other videos. Because if they're ready to click on our website, we've already sold them on the idea of us that they're willing to click on the website. And if not, I'd rather you watch another video and get more interested in us. So understand what your priorities are for your videos. Like I said, initially, it was all about getting the subscribe and everything like that and growing the numbers of the channel. But now we've gotten it to the point where we want to sell our products and services through our videos. If you are an aspiring YouTuber and you want to make money from your channel, you want to make this into a business, head down to the description below. We've got some amazing resources for you guys. YouTube is our full-time business. We live and breathe YouTube, and we help others make money with their YouTube channels. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.